Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to place two pictures side by side in Microsoft Word with caption in clean, professional and perfectly aligned way. This technique is extremely useful for assignments, research paper, reports, projects, comparison chart, academic documents and professional layout where image must be presented clearly with proper labels. Many users struggle with images moving out of position or caption not staying aligned. In this video, we will discover simple and reliable methods to arrange pictures side by side and add caption that stay perfectly attached. So let's get started. We can see here assignments. Now I am go to the second page. Now I make this process. Go to the insert menu, click this table option. Now I am select 4 cell table and make it. Then resize the table. Then go to the layout menu and make the table size perfect. Then go to the insert menu, select the picture option, then choose two picture from our file. Then select the picture and go to format menu, click wrap text option, choose in front of text. Then resize the image. Then select the second picture and make the same process. Then again select the picture and resize it. Then set the picture on this table. Then resize the table. Make the table as this image size. Now I write my caption to this image. Here the image is boat in the river. Now I am write something. And the image is tree on hill. Now we can see we add picture with caption very easily. Otherwise you can remove this table border, select the border drop down menu and choose no border option. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.